In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your followers on LinkedIn. Whether you're aiming to maintain privacy or simply want more control over who can see your professional network, customizing these settings can be a useful tool. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to linkedin.com. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and do so using either your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. It's important to note that if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone number. This is a standard security feature aimed at protecting your account. Once you're successfully logged into your profile, direct your attention to your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This menu contains all the essential options for customizing your LinkedIn experience, and privacy is certainly a significant aspect of that. Next, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Click Visibility. This section is crucial because it allows you to determine who can see your profiles and details about your network. After clicking Visibility, select Visibility of your profile and network. Once you are in this section, you'll see several options to adjust, but the one we are focusing on today is who can see your connections. Toggle this setting to off. Doing so will prevent others from viewing your list of connections, providing an additional layer of privacy to your network. While it's worth mentioning that LinkedIn doesn't offer a feature to hide your follow account entirely, these steps will help you control who can see your connection list. Adjusting the visibility of your activity on LinkedIn, including your followers, fortifies your privacy. To recap, start by visiting linkedin.com, log in or sign up if needed, access your profile settings and adjust your visibility preferences. With these simple steps, you can maintain greater control over your professional network, ensuring that you're sharing details only with those you choose. Understanding and controlling your online privacy isn't just about hiding information, it's about having the freedom to share your professional journey as you see fit. Whether you're network building or simply staying connected, maintaining control over who can see your connections is an important part of your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching today's tutorial and happy networking.